Today we go Sicilian with one of the most iconic Sicilian pasta ever. Pasta alla Norma, rigatoni alla Norma. Let's see how it's done.
For 4 people, sunflower oil, half a liter to deep fry 2 small size eggplants, some paper towels to squeeze and dry the eggplants. For the red sauce you need 5 spoons of olive oil, 2 cans of diced tomatoes, 2 garlic cloves, half white onion, small size, rock salt, some black pepper, Danish feta cheese instead of salted ricotta cheese, which is hard to find, a third of a glass of red wine, 5 basil leaves, and finally some rigatoni la Molisana from your local Woolies, 200 grams for 4 people, no more than 320 grams for hungry diners. And now it's the time to make the red sauce. Chop thinly only half of a white onion and crush 2 garlic cloves. Take a medium-sized pot and add 5 spoons of olive oil. Add the onion and garlic mix and cook it till caramelized. Wine, just a third of a glass. Let the wine evaporate completely before adding the 2 cans of diced tomatoes. A generous amount of pepper and just a pinch of salt. Then cover the pot and cook the red sauce on low heat for half an hour. Add some water if it gets too thick. In the meantime, slice the 2 eggplants for the long side. Chop it in smaller pieces, but not too small. Time to deep fry the eggplants. I'm doing this on the veranda to avoid hot oil splashes over the stove and to keep the fry smell out of the kitchen. When the eggplants are ready, place them on a chopping board with some paper towels and apply some compression to squeeze out the excess of oil. Meanwhile, the red sauce is ready. Time to get rid of the garlic. Then boil some water with some rock salt and our 200 grams of rigatoni pasta, or a bit more. We are getting to the very final stage of this recipe. After taking the garlic out of the pot, I turned the heat off under the red sauce. Now turn it on again, add the eggplants to the pot, add a bit of boiling water and let the red sauce simmer a bit longer. As per tradition, I break the basil leaves by hand since the contact with the knife could blacken them. Chop about a third of the Danish feta and add it to the red sauce. Once you are positive that your pasta is al dente, add it to the red sauce. Now, rigatoni pasta is particularly resilient to overcooking. Therefore, you can simmer it a bit longer to make sure that it absorbs the sauce properly. And it's finally time to turn the heat off. Your pasta is ready? I can't wait to give it a go.
I've been waiting for quite a while for this moment of truth. Let's taste it. It's really one of the tastiest pasta ever. The sauce is perfect. The Dutch feta is good. It's a valid substitute for the Italian cheese. Yeah. A piece of eggplant. I like sitting for my lunch.